Hello everybody! My name is Gijsbert Stoet. I'm the PsyToolkit developer. I just want to say quickly, hello, have a nice summer. I would like to thank people for the donations that they have made over the past months and years actually. It's great. PsyToolkit needs income to pay for the servers and so on. So if you can make a donation, please make a donation. I also would like to say new features are coming. I'm working really hard on the next upgrade of PsyToolkit. There will be new cool features. Also, I'm working really hard on a set of R functions that you can use with PsyToolkit. There's a lesson about that. Below the video there is a link to that. There's also a link below the video on how to make a donation, so please consider that. If you have things that you would really like to see in PsyToolkit, don't hesitate to send me an email, psytoolkit@gmail.com. If I don't reply immediately, I check my emails. I can't always reply immediately, but if you don't hear from me and you think I should have replied, send me an email again, please. I don't mind that. I get lots of emails, so that's good. Anyway, so enjoy the summer, and I hope you're looking forward to the next academic year, and goodbye for now. Keep watching this channel. More videos are coming. Bye now.